So you guys have watched the videos to learn a little bit more about possessive nouns. So this is the practice sheet that we want you to work on. The first part asks you to underline each possessive noun form. So as you're reading through this, don't worry, there's a lot of names, and I don't expect you to be able to read the names. We know that you're just going to do the best you can on that. Our focus is that idea of who does it belong to? Who possesses it? For example, number 1 says Nelia's family in the Philippines had never seen snow. Well, we can see very easily that there's really only one word that has an apostrophe, so chances are that's your possessive. And if we look at that, we can see that the family belongs to Nelia. There's not a bunch of Nelias. One Nelia, it's her family. So that's what they're asking you to do in the beginning. Now, all you got to do is underline the words where you can see ownership or possessive. Here, they just want you to write the possessive form. So remember, if it's singular, a relative, just one relative, you add apostrophe S. Relatives. Okay? So maybe it's the relative's house. It's the relative's family, you know. So just so you know, if it's singular, then you do that. There are some in here that might be plural, meaning more than one. And if it's more than one and it ends in an S, that's the key. It has to be more than one and it ends in an S, just like this one right here. Friends. Well, we're not going to say our friends' house. We're just going to say our friend's house. We only put the apostrophe. Maybe 2 of our friends live together in the same house. So it's our friend's house. We're not going to say friends's. So when it's plural and it ends in an S, then you just add the apostrophe. You don't have to add apostrophe S. So that's to help you get started on that side. On the other side, this is a little bit trickier. They want you to rewrite the sentence replacing the underlined part with a singular or a plural possessive noun. So here it says, Nelia heard the voice of the announcer telling about the snow. All right, so what we have to think about is the voice of the announcer. So the announcer, that's the announcer's voice. So here is the one that has ownership over the voice. So then we would write down announcers, and it would be apostrophe S because it's singular, voice. And then if you reread, I'm not going to make you rewrite the entire sentence. If you want to just rewrite that part. And then you can see Neela heard the announcer's voice telling about the snow. You can see how what we've done, instead of saying the voice of the announcer, we've just made it possessive. It's the announcer's voice. So that's what they want you to do on this side, is they want you to focus on that underlined part. Decide, is it singular or plural? And decide how you would adjust that. This one's a little trickier, and like I said, just do the best you can. All right, hopefully that helps you.